I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. I have a headache. I have a headache. He looks very happy. He looks very happy. I am a little nervous. I am a little nervous. He feels excited about the trip. He feels excited about the trip. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I slept very well last night. I slept very well last night. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I am full of energy now. I am full of energy now. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. He is eating breakfast. He is eating breakfast. I am going to work now. I am going to work now. He takes a shower in the evening. He takes a shower in the evening. We have dinner at 8 p.m. We have dinner at 8 p.m. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. He is studying English. He is studying English. I usually go to bed at 11. I usually go to bed at 11. I am drinking a cup of tea. I am drinking a cup of tea. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. I need to buy some groceries. I need to buy some groceries. He is washing the dishes. He is washing the dishes. I am getting dressed quickly. I am getting dressed quickly. We are walking to the park. We are walking to the park. Please pass me the water. Please pass me the water. Can you open the window? Can you open the window? Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Turn off the light, please. Turn off the light, please. Please wait for me here. Please wait for me here. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Please be careful. Please be careful. Give me 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Could you call me later? Could you call me later? Please don't be late. Please don't be late. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Please close the door. Please close the door. Could you lower the volume? Could you lower the volume? Please sit down comfortably. Please sit down comfortably. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. We are meeting at 5 p.m. We are meeting at 5 p.m. He is going shopping later. He is going shopping later. I will finish my work soon. I will finish my work soon. He is traveling next week. He's traveling next week. I am going to cook dinner. I'm going to cook dinner. I am going to cook dinner. We will watch a movie tonight. We will watch a movie tonight. I need to study for the test. I need to study for the test. He will visit his family. He will visit his family. I am planning to exercise daily. I am planning to exercise daily. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? What time is it now? What time is it now? Where are you going? Where are you going? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? What did you eat for lunch? What did you eat for lunch? Can we start now? Can we start now? Why are you late? Why are you late? How was your day? How was your day? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? When will you come back? When will you come back? Who is coming with us? Who is coming with us? Is everything okay?
Is everything okay? What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink? Are you ready? Are you ready? Where do you live? Where do you live?
Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am fine. No, thank you. No, thank you. Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. I don't know. I don't know. That sounds good. That sounds good. I agree with you. I agree with you. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. I am sorry about that. I am sorry about that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome. You are welcome. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I am learning something new every day. I am learning something new every day. Let's go together. Let's go together. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. Please keep it secret. Please keep it secret. I'm looking for my bag. I'm looking for my bag. Do not worry about me. Do not worry about me. I will see you soon. I will see you soon. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. I am very hungry now. I am very hungry now. The meeting starts at 10. The meeting starts at 10. I enjoyed the movie. I enjoyed the movie. Please write your name here. Please write your name here. I am listening to speaker. I am listening to speaker. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Let's try again. Let's try again. I'm coming right away. I'm coming right away. Please check your email. Please check your email. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Have a great day. Have a great day.